Hi everyone, I'm Lakshmi.
I'm Aleena.
I'm Abhay.
We are from ATL Public School, Mysore.
Our problem statement is to innovate a system that could improve a rider or a driver's safety and prevent road accidents. We have designed a fire system to alert car drivers in case of a fire. Vehicle fires is a serious safety concern that has been largely overlooked. Recent trends suggest that gasoline vehicles catch fire and contribute to a considerable percentage of deaths on the road. So, we thought it is a good idea to alert drivers before it's too late. Based on our research, there are four probable regions where the fire usually starts in a car. They are the engine region, the fuel tank region, the tires, and the exhaust region.
Our fire alerting system has a series of sensor combinations in these regions to alert the driver in case of fire. We have fixed a smoke sensor and a thermocouple K-type in the engine cabin. The thermocouple K-type sensor can withstand high temperature up to 1500 degree. So when the temperature rises above 250 degree, it would raise an alert. To avoid false fire alerts, we have included a smoke sensor, and the fire alarm will be raised only based on the inputs from both sensors. The fuel tank alert system is similar, but the smoke sensor is replaced with the flame sensor. The optimum temperature in the fuel tank while the car is running is 55 degree, and any slight variation to higher side would be serious threat. So in the fuel tank we have designed the system in such a way that the inputs from each of the sensors beyond the threshold value will raise a fire alert. We have fixed a thermocouple K-type to detect a rise in temperature beyond 450 degree in the exhaust region. Research shows that car exhaust bursts due to high temperature and has resulted in fire. So monitoring the temperature is the main concern here.
We tested our system in the ATL lab and got satisfying results, but we could not conduct the on-road testing due to safety concerns. All of us contributed to the background research and the designing of the sensors for each region. We used old car boards to make the car model. We have used 3 different Arduino boards now, and we would like to integrate all sensors in one platform in the future.
Abhay did the circuit, me and Lakshmi with the Arduino boards. We had a nice experience working as a team and enjoyed the challenges in each stage of our project. Thank you.